Oh my gosh, I forgot to videotape this. These guys are almost completely done getting this ivy off the side of this house. That's my hubby down there. Michael, say hi. But keep looking. Hi. And that's Nick up there. My friend Diane, that's her great nephew. And he's great, all right. Let's do it. And this is Jose. Say hi, Jose. Oh, he's helping us too. And this is Cone. Cone, say hey. You're on video, Cone. This is going to be very famous on YouTube, Cone. We got a lot of crap out here in the yard still, but a lot of this is the stuff that the guys want, and it drives me crazy, so I'm like, get it out. Anyway, okay, here we go. Let's see what Gerald's doing in here. Gerald's got a lot of this plaster stuff started. Man, this guy can drywall, plaster, you name it. Gerald, you can do it, can't you? See? He goes, uh-huh. Okay, Gerald, you're on video, so say something.
Hello.
Gerald, he really is like a master of all this stuff. Like he can really, that makes me nervous there. It's like teeter-tottering. But anyways, he really can, wow, I didn't see that wallpaper trim. That's really pretty.
It is.
Wow, with that gold paint stuff. A little cobweb there, but not bad. It's pretty cool. Coming along, Gerald. We are getting there.
Yeah.
I just cleaned out this bathroom over here. Woo, yuck. It's coming though. Got 3 guys loading. We're under almost done with it. We'll finish 2 dumpsters today, which will be great. Okay, with football in the background, this is something that I picked up at the house today and brought home because it's full of all kinds of little glass figurines. This is a little froggy. There's like little snail, whole bunch of these things, and the whole thing is full of them. Oh, this one's a little big one though. This one's a big panda bear. That's a big one. But most of them are very little. Like here's another little frog, very cute. This whole thing is like just full of little surprises. Here's a little black cat. I have no idea what they are or who makes them. I'll have to dig into them a little bit, but there's a whole thing of them. There's probably like 40 more in here or something. I don't know. There's a whole bunch of them. Oh, let's see what this thing is. Well, baby panda bear goes with the mama panda bear, apparently. Yep, or maybe it goes like this. Okay, there we go. There they are. Let's see what else this is in here. I'll show you a few more things because I have no idea. I haven't opened these yet. Really don't know. Oh, just a little fish. Cute. Really cute little fish. Anyways, lots of fun stuff like that found in this house. Corey, you can hear the background of the thing, but look at more. Of course there's more. There's millions of these everywhere in this house. That's crazy. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, that might be a cool old clock. Oh, it's cracked a little bit. Let's see. I don't know if these are in these drawers. Keys. Of course there's a name. Ooh, they might have one of the key things I'm looking for in there. It's cool. Yeah, if you ever thought real estate investing was a clean, nice business, yeah, might have been misled. This is after 3 layers of carpet have been taken out of this room, and there's still a lot of cat pee. So what are we going to do with this room? Well, we're going to fix the boards we need to. They're pine, this particular floor, and we will clean it, and then we will put a very good Kills or other sealer down first, and then we will paint this room, this floor, and I'll match something on this wallpaper because the wallpaper's in beautiful shape, and we'll fix that as well. So anyway, yeah, don't think this is beautiful. This was full of cat crap in here, literally cat crap. With the litter box, pew, it stinks in here like nothing. And this I gotta get cleaned out. And then, pew, hopefully these are all out. Oh good, I think I'm gonna probably have them dump that one too. Just too much stuff around here. Too much stuff. And if you ever thought that this is, like I said, someone tells you this real estate investing stuff is easy, and no, this is clean. This is dirty. This is after it's clean though, by the way. Way after it's clean. Couldn't get in the rooms in the beginning if you saw the first videos. Just crazy. This is some of the stuff that we might be able to still sell and do something with. So very crazy. I'll show you the crew. We've got 4 guys here, 4 girls here. We're actually using this window to dump. This is Michael. He hasn't been here. This is his first day. It might be his last. He may never come back because he's going to be freaked out here. But see this dumpster? Whoa! Yeah, it's almost full. So, yeah, don't overfill too much more now in the front except that corner. See that corner? Hey, you guys, You could do that corner. Hey, only that corner. That chair would go perfect up in that right corner. Other than that, it's too full everywhere else over that part where you are. Okay. That's cone. Okay. Well, we try to figure out an easy way to get stuff out of a 4-story house. And here we go. Let's see if Cone can do this and get it in the right. Oh, man, he's good. Okay, Cone, we got room for like 2 more right by it. See, this is amazing. I couldn't even walk in this room this morning. And this is what's left. We still have to go through those books. A lot of those are still garbage. Some will be resellable. But this hasn't obviously been cleaned. Look what we're dealing with. But at least this is now just about ready for the estate sale with some little cleaning. So here's our light. It looks like right here.